Here. No, you keep your hands off shit that don't belong to you. Shit. Yeah, the truck looks good clean.
Man, I like those rims. And onward. Does it got seatbelts too?
In the back,
Yeah, in the back.
yeah.
But not in the front. It's got a place for you to hook your phone
It
out.
does in the front, yeah. Got two chargers.
Oh, USBs.
USBs.
Got your glove box.
Do those
It's a
come out when
speaker
you open
system
the
up
door?
here.
Oh, shit. So it Bluetooth?
Look how loud it is.
Will it get down?
Oh my god.
Yeah, I got it turned on. They slide out so you can get
It might seem like an ordinary.
Golly. That thing is loud. A club car.
this thing, man.
Look, that's got LEDs. Oh, how cool.
Catch me out.
It is. I can see why it rides good. The dang,
Shop.
the suspension on that thing looks as good as that truck right there.
Heck yeah.
I mean, what in the world?
Club car.
Hey.
Has it got blinkers and all of it? Yeah, got it all.
Hey, they'll be tired of this in no time.
They've been wearing it out.
What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. Reporting today to show you the new ride. 2018 Chevrolet High Country 4-wheel drive. This is the replacement truck to the 2011, I believe it was, GMC Sierra that was in the accident last month and was totaled. It was my uncle's truck. They shopped, I helped them shop. I did the auction online. I looked at GMC financial sales. We exhausted every means on finding a good late model used truck and ended up buying this from an individual. Got this truck cheaper from an individual than I could get it at the auction for. 2018, got 28,000 miles, no accidents, all the service history. Actually, the guy had the tires rotated and the oil changed yesterday before they did the deal today. And it is absolutely like brand new. I mean, brand new. Got the wireless charging, which charges my new S20. It does have the power running boards, which I believe are turned off at the moment. Or maybe the truck needs to be running. Chrome wheels. I mean, it is just, it's a graphite kind of gray color. I mean, no, this is a young, this was a young couple. He is a pastor at a church, and they are pregnant with their first child and needed to sell the truck to get a minivan. I do not know how these seats fold down, but very clean. Got a power glass sunroof. Bose stereo. High Country logo bezel there. As you can see, it's got the nice gray piping on the black leather, along with the wood accents. Look really nice. This is a lovely truck. High Country. Rolling on some Goodyear Eagles. Of course, it's got a tow package. All your power features. It does have power folding mirrors, which is nice for pulling in the garage there. It's got your trailer brake controller up here, your four-wheel drive, your headlights. Let's hop on in here. Oh, With this being the High Country, it has a lot of extra features you don't get on the lower trims, like heated steering wheel. It does have adaptive cruise control. It has lane keep assist. And this is the button for your power running boards, parking sensors, cargo light, traction control, and power pedals. It does have the heated and cooled seats. The one thing that is missing on this one, that a lot of the High Countries I looked at, I found several for sale. Let's do a start here. Get some AC going. Is this particular one is a 5.3 V8. $28,258. Yeah, we drove several 6.2s, and man, they were hosses. God, those 6.2s are so powerful. But, I mean, for the money, 5.3 is the way to go. 6.2 is awesome, but the 5.3 is pretty good motor too. I mean, it's got plenty of power. God, it runs so smooth. Look at that. Just a hint of vibration. Listen how quiet that is. Of course, Chevrolet's just redesigned this front end, but again, for the money, hard to beat. This truck was $34,000. The kid was asking $36,900. They negotiated it down to $34,000. Of course, they'll have to pay taxes on that when they go get plates Monday, but $34,000 is a hell of a deal. The next cheapest truck I found was an 18 High Country that only had 12,000 miles. It had all the same options this one has: adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, heated cooled seats, you know, sunroof. But it had the optional 6.2, and it had 22-inch rims on it. And that was at a dealership, and we negotiated, and we got them down to the bottom dollar, out the door with tax, $44,000. So, this truck popped up on Craigslist the very next day. Is it worth $10,000 more to get the 6.2 and 22-inch rims and 12,000 miles versus 28,000? And it was a 2018 as well. So same year, equally as clean as this truck. So, you know, for the money, the best bet here was buying it off an individual. A lot of the dealers were not willing to negotiate on price. We looked at F-150s, new ones. We looked at used ones. You know, nobody was really very anxious to wheel and deal. I was very, very surprised by that. But anyway, yeah, it was strange. Let's go do a little 0 to 60. What you talking about, man? Woo! Got plenty of juice. That 5.3 is plenty powerful. You don't need no more power than that. But I will say the 6.2 is intoxicating. Oh my gosh. It had so much get up and go. And it was so effortless. I mean, like, that 6.2, it just feels like it's not even having to try or work hard. It just pushes the truck so effortlessly. But hey, like I said, 34 grand. Not bad for a truck that was about $65,000 new. About a year and a half old. 28,000 miles. Shit, you can't beat it. Can't beat it. It goes flat to 6,000 RPM. Holy crap. Guys, thanks for joining me for this edition of Joe's Golden Garage. Like, subscribe, comment, please. Y'all take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Have a great day. We'll see y'all next time. Peace.